guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Stephanie. I'm a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle blogger, and today I want to share this look I created using Revlon's new So Fierce collection, and features the Extreme Volume Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash, the Dangerous Metals Revlon So Fierce Chrome Ink Liquid Liner, and the outrageous color Revlon So Fierce Prismatic eyeshadow quad. If you want to see the palette I use and all the other products of the collection and my thoughts about them, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes, and I'm using Pero Primero primer. I'm going to use my Morphe E10 brush. I'm going to dip in any other palette because we're testing out how wearable these are. I'm going to take the lightest shade. It's gonna go underneath the brow here. Oh, that is so pigmented. That is a lot more pigmented than I thought it was going to be, but we're not gonna complain about that. I'm going to diffuse the color a little bit with my finger. I'm going to take that same brush and the same color, and I'm going to put in the inside of my eyes here. Stop. I'm going to use this color right here. The same brush, just in the center of the eye. So right here. Kind of meeting that light color, but not too much. Same to the other eye. Try and add some depth to this look. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Going to apply it on the outer right here. So pretty! That is such a pretty color! This one eyeshadow all over my eyes, me wanna see. I'm blending it, kind of meeting it with that middle shade. Not too far in. A clean blending brush. Very little blending, you guys. I'm going so light. First of all, I'm keeping my hands, this is the tip. The closer you are to the handle, the more pressure you're going to apply. If you're just trying to do a light blending, you don't want to apply too much product or too much pressure on your eyes. Hold the brush towards the end of the brush. Hold the brush. And I'm just going to lightly kind of like bringing a little bit of that color inward. That I blend out down here. So I also received these three liquid liner, ultraviolet foil, bronzage, and this one is gunmetal. It's just so pretty. It's subtle but very pretty. And I also received the So Fierce Big Bad Lash. Let's see what this baby is hidden for. You guys see that? You see what mascara does? Look at this eye. And usually this is like my droopy side. Not right now. Not right now, it ain't droopy. This side is looking fabulous and very fierce. You guys, this mascara, first impression, I think is the shit. I think it's gonna be a hit. Work this mascara on this eye now. You guys, just one coat. Wait and see. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, but so far, so good. So what am I missing? So I'm gonna do a little bit something to the bottom. Try this color here, which is the only color in the palette that I haven't touched. Luxie 141 mini round brush. Smoking the bottom lash, my bottom lash line, you guys. the whole area with this color. I'm gonna use that same brush, the same Luxie, and go to the darker shade first. So I'm gonna connect the top and the bottom. Do the same over here. Very little fallout. Very impressed, you guys. Very impressed, to say the least. Wipe that same Luxie brush, and I am going to apply this shade right here. Apply it right here. I'm gonna go into this shade. This is what's gonna set this look up right here. I'm gonna look straight because I want to make sure that I do it right in the middle, right here. One more coat of mascara, but this time I'm gonna do the top and my bottom. Let's see what happens. Sometimes this could be a good thing, or it could be the worst fucking decision. It's looking like we're good, you guys. Want to do a little something in my waterline, applying like butter on the eyes. 2021, we're gonna see a lot more of this type of eyeliner. I'm not hating it. So you guys, this is the look I created. I used every single color in the palette. I didn't use any other eyeshadow from any other palette. I am so impressed, you guys. So now I am just going to do a little something to my face. And this is the Bronzed in Paradise palette. This has been like my go-to all year. The MAC 153 brush. And I like to mix these three shades right here. I'm just going for warming up the skin, not so much contouring or anything like that. So I'm putting the color even on my cheeks. Honest Beauty, and it's the shade Foxy, and I think it will look really pretty with this eye. So I saw it on the Best of Beauty Allure of 2020, and I wanted to try it. And I'm just gonna swirl it. Oh wow, that's pretty. I'm going to skip highlighter, especially because I have so much going on in the eyes. The blush has a nice shimmer to it, so yeah, I'm gonna skip it. Lip gloss, and this is by PYT Beauty, and it's very similar to my lip, but it just leaves the most beautiful like shine. I would obviously not wear this if I was going to put on a mask, but we're not going anywhere, you guys. We're not going anywhere. I 100% recommend that you guys try out any of the Revlon's new So Fierce collection. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and fun, and that it inspires you to try different things when you're doing your makeup. I know I definitely will be more open-minded to applying different finishes and different colors. 2021 will be that year for me where I step outside the box. Still making looks wearable though. Promise that it will always be wearable looks, but I do look forward to stepping a little bit outside the box and having more fun. So please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you haven't yet, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.